What is up, guys? We are out here on the river. It's Dad and I. We just want to kind of see the floodwater, but I just want to give you a little update on the giveaway, Caleb's truck, the 79, the sending unit, fuel tank straps, and everything for the 79 are in. I just got to get the tank over there and get the old one taken off, the new one on. As far as Caleb's Duramax goes, we did put a 5-inch exhaust on it. The tip came in today. He went with a black one. It's a 5 to 7 inch, so we're probably going to be doing a video on that tomorrow, which is Sunday. Cutting it, welding it, and putting the tip on. And then as far as the giveaway goes, I'm giving away 4 pod LEDs and 1 32-inch light bar. I think it's a 32. I'll have to check. But the giveaway is live now from today till February 28th. At midnight is when the giveaway will be live. Basically what you're going to do is go to my Shopify. It's shopify.thegmman. I'll leave all the information down in the description. You can just click on it and it'll take you right over there. But spend $10 and you get 1 entry. So every $10 you spend, you get an entry. So you spend $20, that's 2, and so on and so forth. I'm going to give you 1 free entry though. Go to my YouTube channel, the home screen, and take a screenshot of it. Go to Instagram and tag my personal account, which will be down in the description, or the Gmman account, which will be down in the description, and that gives you 1 free entry. And then when we get done with the giveaway, we'll throw it all in the computer organizer type deal. It will generate, pick the 1 lucky winner. The winner will obviously send me your shipping information or whatever, or if you bought something off of the website, I already have your shipping information, and I'll be able to box it all up and send it out to you. So basically you could be winning $100 worth of pods and light bar for $10 or $20 or however much you spend, or you can even get it for free. But that's basically going to be the video, guys. I'm taking some pictures with Covered Bridge here. I'll put those in the end of the video so you guys can kind of just see them. But remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Ryan, let's